Hello, boys and girls. Hi. So here we are on an early morning. All right, so I don't know how much of that you caught because I think the camera died. But anyway, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ted, this is Ride with Ted. What I'm doing up ridiculously early on this very cloudy Saturday morning is I'm actually headed to Sea Breeze Harley Davidson for the H.O.G meeting, which would be my very first H.O.G meeting ever. I am a lifetime member of the Harley Owners Group, but I've never joined a Harley chapter. Well, I shouldn't say that. I did back in Ocean County, New Jersey, but I never attended a meeting, and they didn't really do much. They didn't do anything, I don't think. But so anyway, so this one I'm headed to now, and apparently after the meeting at 10 o'clock, after the meeting, we're supposedly riding to Dunkin' Donuts for coffee. Now, ordinarily I'd be talking to this camera, but this camera died. So let's get to Sea Breeze Harley Davidson, attend this meeting, and while I'm in there, I will plug this camera in and charge it. And we will see what actually transpires in one of these meetings. Hope you all are doing well. Those of you up north, I know you're experiencing a degree of snowish weather. But it is winter. And even here in North Carolina, there are parts we get snow. Fortunately, where I am, we're not getting snow, as you can see. We just got this cloudy, rainy thing going on. In fact, I thought it was supposed to be nice today. But I was incorrect.
Something every month. It gets to be a little much, so
6 hours later,
order and make a list of things that we want.
Day 2.
Since 1983, the Harley Davidson Owners Group, better known as H.O.G, has been the heartbeat of the Harley community. Born from riders who wanted a way to share the road, the stories, and the pride of owning an American legend, H.O.G exploded from its first 33,000 members to more than 1 million riders worldwide, making it the largest factory-sponsored motorcycle organization on the planet. Back in the early days, there were just 49 chapters across the USA. Today, that number has grown to a global network of over 1,000 local chapters, each one tied to a Harley-Davidson dealership and fueled by the same passion for the open road. H.O.G membership opens the door to a world built for riders, exclusive rallies, curated rides, roadside assistance, the long-running H.O.G magazine, and even free access to the Harley-Davidson Museum. It's more than a club. It's a family, a lifestyle, and a passport to adventure. Whether you're chasing horizons, swapping stories at a chapter meeting, or rolling into a rally with 1,000 V-twins rumbling beside you, H.O.G is where Harley riders find their people. Because when you ride a Harley, you're not just on a motorcycle, something bigger. Alright, so finished with our ride. We ended up here at the Provisions Company. And I could get lunch, but I'm just gonna go home. But it was a nice ride. It was good. And it's funny thing is we rode all the roads that I usually ride. So, all right, we had let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It appears to be 15 bikes. No, it's more than that. Not 50, 60, 17 bikes. Now it was 18. I could have sworn we had more than that. All right, so let's get back on the bike.
Well, I know you well, I don't know if you saw going over the second bridge. I think you might have, but you definitely did not see going over the third bridge. That's because the camera was dead and I hadn't had the opportunity to change the battery. But I did, and it looks like I'm gonna get rained on. Maybe. We'll see. Heading home. It was a good ride, though. I think I felt it was a good ride. Somewhere on the order of 50-something miles, 40-ish. I don't know. Got to meet some peeps. Finished my Coke. Haven't had breakfast, hadn't had lunch. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. We're going home. So if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Comment. I'll respond. You know that. I'll respond. You know that. And yeah. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Peace out. Rock and roll.